It's review time. Hey everyone, it's been a minute since I have been filming in my channel. I'm probably sounding a little raspy because it's like 5 a.m. in the morning, but I would just want to get this video in and show you guys what I have purchased in the Laurel Denise 2024 planners. There's a lot of new things going on, a lot of new sizes, as you can see right here. And what it's gonna be, there are some changes to the layout, but it's gonna be like, you know, good changes. This is my first time getting the dated version of the Laurel Denise planner. So I'm just gonna dive in and I'm gonna show you comparison of the undated one that I have that I'm using right now. So let's just get started. I'm gonna go first with the 24 for the dated weekly vertical layout before I get into anything else. So this is sunrise color. As you can see, I'm sucker for yellow, especially for the fall time. So I wanted to keep on with the whole functional planning. I want to keep, you know, experimenting with it, and I think it's best to keep it at home because it's like, you know, as it's so big. But I got a plan because now they came out with the mini size. Now we could, like, you know, alternate with the scheduling. So this is my first time getting the dated version, the vertical weekly edition. She did make some changes. So these, okay, let me just like, can I make some more? I mean, can you not get crazy about with this beautiful pattern and the mauve color inside? But I'm a sucker for it. So here's one change that you could see. If you have the Laurel Denise planner, you definitely gonna see there are two rulers this time. There's usually one big ruler. I'm gonna show you guys right now. In the undated version, let me see. Sorry. So usually we have this one big ruler that in my undated version. Let me just put that there because I'm gonna do some comparison. So it's cute. So we have, this one has you know, the regular ruler centimeter thing, and it says you are here, point blank. And then they have a then she came out with this design. Like, I think it's gonna be fun because it has a design that you just want to, like, you know, maybe do something fun in your planner on it. So yeah. So one of the changes, okay, that's one change of the planner. This is still the same as, you know, every dated or undated planner. So what doesn't have in an undated planner is the year at a glance. So let me just make some room so you guys get a better detail on it. So it does have the holidays, and it has, you know, the dates, the month. It has goals and things to remember, and it has like special dates and events. So you got, and then you remember, if you forget about the holiday that's coming up in each month, you get the list right here. So this is how the layout is. You have everything is dated, the holidays are there, so it's minimized so you could just make it as your own. It still has a blank canvas. You could still make it your own. Just have the year for next month, so you just want to plan ahead. The great thing about it, about for me, I like the vertical to make like list style. You could also do that with the horizontal layout if you prefer to break things down, and that's what the rulers are for. So you can do it how you want because it's functional. It's your planet. You go with the flow. It has a dated, and it has the little side that has to do a week. I don't usually use this side. Usually I will put like a washi because usually I would write the to-dos here. So you do what you want. So it does have this, all the dated. It goes over the whole planner, but what the difference is, in the back of the data planner, you have habit trackers. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing the habit trackers and the undated planners. So you could just keep things on top. So these I'm gonna show you the undated. Like I'm gonna get a blank month, so you guys could see the difference. They did, I think, put a bit. They expanded a little size, a little bigger. I'm not sure, but it kind of looked different. But I know they did the size a little wider, so you guys have that space to write. And the undated does not have a habit tracker, so this is like, you know, you can do whatever you want on it. So as you can see, I will show you like the dimensions and everything, if you guys are more interested on how, like, you know, if you're planning to look at stickers or anything like that. So yes, just know. And then you have this blank space, and then you have to do to month. This I definitely gonna be end up using because there's a lot of things going on in the month for next year. So yeah, so all of them are just like that. I'm gonna go right back in the end so you guys could know how the note pages are. So they already have the months, as you can see, all the months over here, and then the note pages. No pages have like the plan ahead. So if you want to plan ahead for 2025, we already haven't had 2024 yet. But you know, you that type of planner like to plan ahead, knock yourself out. I like this because then, like, you know, if anything comes up, I could just like add it, like write the plan, and then like see if we could fit it in the calendar. And then these are yearly wins. Like things that you want to accomplish through the year, and the yearly lessons. I probably just could do like a lesson for like each month. So like things that I wanted to know. And it's like my favorite is the graph paper. You cannot have too many graph paper. So I have a couple, like about 2 pages graph paper of 4, and you got dot grid paper. And then you have, so if you're like a bullet journal like me, I like to keep, you know, keep everything interested for like goals and stuff. But like they have books I'm reading, things I'm listening to, happy moments. I probably just gonna do like photos in the back. Who knows? I don't know. And it has gratitude, hobbies, ways I move my body. So you want to keep yourself healthy and stuff like that. I'm excited for, I'm hopeful for. So yeah, so this is going to be my home planner. It's gonna stay at home. I'm gonna have it open, so like my husband could look at the picture, like any schedule that we need to update and everything. So this is gonna be my home planner for 2024, and I can't wait to start using it. If you're like me, that probably like to start early, there you could probably redate it, but I'm just gonna use this straight out from 2024. So now I'm going to show you guys the mini planner. This is the size that everybody was requesting, and let me tell you, it's, you know, is so compact. It is the horizontal version. This is the only color they have. This is evergreen. This is the only color they have right now, since they just started the whole new size. They wanted to make sure you guys, you know, get a liking of the size before they make more colors. You never know. They are coming out with undated versions later in May. So if you guys are like not ready to like commit into like a dated, and you want to try out the new layout, you try out the layout for the size for these, they're coming out with the undated, and I believe the teacher planner as well. I could double check with that. But yeah, so let's get back to this. This is a horizontal. This is a slight smaller and more compact, so I'm just gonna show you the size. It's basically half the size, as you can see. But I think it is a good size to, like, you know, have. If you have, like, for me, I like to keep, you know, my home planner stuff on the go too. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Like whatever I have here, the home planner. I could just write it here and extra stuff like things I need to do. So this is a horizontal weekly edition. I mean, look at this, the pattern, everything. The great thing, everything just it's like shrink down. We still got the two beautiful rulers, so you're not missing out. So the layout in the front is the same. Everything does the shrink down. They'll have the holiday, they'll have the month of the glance, everything. So basically the same style as the vertical, but this is a horizontal layout. So this is the horizontal layout. So before you guys get confused, the size of the month are small, so maybe you could just do color coding and try to figure out, like, if you like me, I like to probably do color coding for these, or you could do like cowords or whatever just to make space, because if you have big handwriting like I do, I like to do the color coding thing. So this is the difference with the horizontal. The horizontal has the week on this side, but you could still do, you know, if you like a vertical planner, you could do the lines, use the ruler, use the lines and stuff. And this side, they actually have like the to-dos, like you want to like make lists, knock yourself out. I probably end up doing that, like do all the lists on one side, and then like, you know, reminders on this side, and then like, you know, I could probably do something this week, but it's like small, but it's cute. It's very cute. That's how it goes throughout the planner, and it does have a habit tracker. The great thing about it does have the space to, you know, be creative or anything like that. You want to make a memory page, knock yourself out, and then to do for this whole month. So it does, all the tabs has all the months. So I'm gonna get straight to the note page because everything is the same throughout the pages. So for the note pages, you have the plan ahead and your glance for 2025, the yearly wins and lessons. And you have the beautiful graph paper. I'm a sucker for graph paper. That, and you have a beautiful dot grid. You want to do like a little bullet journaling, knock yourself out. And then we have the same you know, currently page, that's what I'm gonna call it, but it's super cute. It's the size was like much needed, so I'm hoping that she comes out with more colors. If she comes out with a purple one, I'm down for it. This is my first time doing trying out the horizontal. This is no for the mini, they only have the horizontal layout. So for my vertical lovers, you could still work it. You could make the line. Laurel Denise does have a lot of videos on how to make the horizontal more like vertical if you prefer that. And you could probably use the same thing here. So this is gonna be like my on-to-go planner because it's compact and it's great for work too. You can see it's more slimmer than the big one. So don't like, you know, be upset. Now, the accessory I got was the portfolio. So this portfolio is just for right now. This came out, this is the evergreen color, and they also have the caramel color. So this is just for the big size for right now, so they, you know, trying things out, and then hopefully they could make one for the mini size. So I'm down for it. So it does have this nice gold, this satin leather color, and it's vegan leather. Let me show you the inside. It's great. I love it because I think it protects the planner. So you got let me just see. You have 4 card pockets. You got a flap pocket right here in the back, and then this is where you add the planner inside. You split it in, and then you also have a pen loop, and then another pocket, and then slide. So I'm gonna show you guys how I split it in. She does have like a little, every time when you purchase this, they do have oh, I have it right here. So it gives you like a little like helpful instructions on how to like slowly, you know, if you don't want to mess the portfolio. So that's the great thing about it. I'm gonna keep it here because I kept it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here. So what you're gonna do is gonna open from the back. That's how I do it. So yeah, you're gonna slide it in slowly just to make sure it perfect fit, because it is a certain leather, so it doesn't want to get messed up. Don't push it too hard. And then that's how you put it. But if you like to keep it, you know, we want to keep everything in one place. And maybe if you like it to keep it on one side, maybe you could keep a little thing of paper here. Yeah. And then you want to close it. And that's how you keep everything protected. So yeah. So this is just a very short review of what I got. I am part of the affiliate team for Laurel Denise. I will put down my link and code if you plan to purchase anything from Laurel Denise. I really appreciate it. And I hope you like this video. And I'm hoping to post more because it's been like a couple of months I haven't posted. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. And thank you for watching.